Hello everyone, let's start. So I have received one query related to depreciation posting. So user has posted a depreciation for the future period. Let's suppose they have to post in the month of April, but by mistake they have taken June period. So system has calculated for 3 month depreciation. Now I want to reverse depreciation and I want to post in the month of April only. So I have replicated the case, same case. Let me open asset. Again, I'm going into asset history or asset value AW01N. Click here. I will take the same asset, press enter, go to posted value. So here you can see depreciation has been posted for January, Feb, March, then for the month of June, which is for 3 months. Now I want to reverse 3 month depreciation and I want to post in the month of April. So what we have to do, we have to go into asset master data, go to asset change, AS02, click here, press enter, go to depreciation areas, continue, double click on book depreciation. I want to add interval, click here, add interval. So here I'm going to take the period 1st April. First, I will reverse all the depreciation for 3 months, then I will post for a particular month, which is April. So here, 1st April, yes, I will take depreciation key 0000, which is for reversal. Save. Again, go to asset schedule. So I'm going to create one job for asset reversal. Click on create. No need to change anything. Click on step 2. Yes, I want to start immediately. Click on step 3. Company code. Fiscal year 2025. Posting period 6, because I have posted in the month of June. Accounting principle IAS. Move test run and click on schedule. Let me refresh the page to see the status. Okay, it is showing some warning. Click here. Okay, go back. Go to asset values to see the depreciation. Click posted values. Now depreciation has been reversed. I want to post only 1 month depreciation. So I need to go again into asset master data, AS02, depreciation area. I want to change the depreciation key, which is LINR, straight line depreciation. Save. Okay. Go to asset schedule for running depreciation for the month of April. Again, click on create. No need to change anything. Click on step 2. Start immediately. Click on step 3. Again, company code, fiscal year, posting period, April, accounting principle IAS, remove test run, schedule. Click on go. So now you can see depreciation has been posted. Let's verify the result. Again, click on SAP, go to AW01N, click on posted value. So you can see we have reversed the depreciation for 3 months and I have posted only for April. Thank you. Thank you all.